Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. I am Pat from Pat's Path Predictor, and in this video we're going to be talking about a little bit of severe weather that's going on in parts of Mississippi and Alabama. There is a tornado watch in effect right now for portions of the states right here. Let's go ahead and pull that up for you guys right here. There it is. There it is, that severe storms possible. Tornado watch right here. You can see that tornado watch it lasts until 6 p.m. for the following locations. These counties right there, for portions of Mississippi and Alabama, there are some tornado watches out right there. And in this video, I'm going to explain what's going on. So it appears that even in January, when it's cold all across the country, there's still severe weather going on in the Deep South. I mean, I'm not really that surprised, but at the same time, there's a slight risk of severe weather right here in the Deep South. So let's go ahead and dissect through it right now. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this. Here's the summary. Damaging gusts and a couple of tornadoes will be possible today across portions of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. A persistent MSC continues to track eastward across the central Mississippi late this morning. This cluster of storms within a baroclinic zone along the northern edge of the returning low level moisture, with dew points in the upper 60s along southern Mississippi and southwest Alabama. Visible satellite imagery shows considerable breaks in the clouds over the region, helping it to mix with the boundary layer and destabilize the air mass. So that's not a good sign right there. So this is another lesson. I know I've really said this. If you see stuff like that, that's not a good sign for you guys. Anyway, let's continue on. The storms over central Mississippi appear slightly elevated at this time. However, continued heating should eventually result in surface-based convection. Vertical shear profiles are favorable for supercells, and recent CAM guidance also suggests that semi-discrete storm mode will be preferred. For those reasons, we will maintain the slight risk for Louisiana and Mississippi and expand it south somewhat eastward in the late afternoon storms spreading across southern Alabama. Isolated tornadoes and damaging wind gusts appear to be the main threats. So let's go ahead and dissect this. Let's first take a look at the radar. Here's the latest radar scan right here. So let's pull that up. So yeah, there's a huge line of storms right here through portions of Alabama into Mississippi. There's some storms developing to the west of Montgomery, Greenville, even into the Florida Panhandle right there, even into parts of southeastern Mississippi right here, into right here in Jackson, this area, Louisiana. So yeah, this appears to be a pretty big day for severe weather. Let's go ahead and pull up the tornado risk. This is it right here, 5% risk in portions of southeastern Mississippi and southern Alabama right here, including Montgomery, Columbus, Georgia, Auburn, Phoenix City, Alabama, and Prattville, Alabama. And there's a 2% chance for New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Mobile, Jackson, and Metro. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing these correctly. I'm not familiar with the area. Well, I am kind of, because I've reported on this area before, the New Year's Day outbreak. The wind threat, here it is right here. Same area as before. As you can see, Montgomery, Auburn, Phoenix City, Prattville, and Opelika, Alabama. And 5% chance in New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Mobile, Columbus, and Jackson. So, your basic threat for severe weather right there. The hail threat is actually the least concerning right here, including Baton Rouge, Mobile, Jackson, Gulfport, and Hattiesburg. So, this is just basically just run-of-the-mill severe weather day right here. Right here, we could see a few tornadoes as the afternoon goes on. But other than that, this is just a normal potential severe weather outbreak down the Deep South. Although this is in January, so that's a little out of the ordinary, but nevertheless, it's still a severe weather outbreak. By the way, that's going to wrap up for this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, everybody.